Now to our GMA cover story, America coming together. Volunteers are stepping up all across the country at this critical time, delivering supplies, helping the vulnerable. Will Reeve is here with their inspiring stories. Good morning, Will.
Good morning, George. A quote I live by is, "A hero is an ordinary individual who finds the strength to persevere and endure in spite of overwhelming obstacles." And in these unprecedented times, we need that kind of hero. We need more of the people you're about to meet. Brave, selfless, compassionate, young heroes.
This morning, with the country reeling from the coronavirus pandemic, Americans of all ages making a collective effort nationwide to step up and support those who need it most. Young people across the country stepping out, becoming shopping angels, braving grocery stores and pharmacies for the old and at risk.
Hi, Frederick. It's Meredith. I am out front with the gallon of milk.
This high schooler in Portland, Oregon, starting a fundraiser for food donations.
36% of students within our school district qualify for free or reduced lunch. I've been able to collect around 400 items in the past 2 days.
This person requested that I pick up their prescription for them.
20-year-old Liam Elkind of New York, assembling over 2,000 volunteers in just 1 week, extending Invisible Hands to shop for the city's most vulnerable. Launching a website where customers can order groceries, medicine, and supplies, and their invisible hands shop for and deliver them for free. Vigilantly making sure that while they help, they do so safely. At Claremont Distillery in New Jersey, Tim Keffer is taking a break from his daily brew to address the sanitizer shortage.
The primary ingredient in hand sanitizer is alcohol, and that's what we do. We have 2,000 of these basically 12-ounce bottles that we'll be filling immediately. We're trying to get a lot of the smaller bottles.
This New Jersey bus driver, Alex Petra, also switching up his daily routine, delivering more than 50 meals a day.
I'm a father too, and I would want that to be done for me too if I was in need.
Alex says that once the opportunity presented itself, it was a no-brainer.
You could see the expression in their face, how happy they were. That for me was rewarding enough.
Small steps that can go a long way.
Heroes all around us. Invisible Hands is also starting a stipend program to help ease the financial burden that so many people are facing during this ongoing crisis, George.
Thank you, Will. And we're now joined by one of the founders of Invisible Hands. Liam Elkind joins us via Skype from here in New York. Such a great idea you had there, Liam. Tell us how it got started.
Yeah, this all started with a simple Facebook post when my friend Simone mentioned wanting to help connect young, able-bodied people with those most in need during this time of crisis. So I reached out and we said, let's make a service that does exactly that. I was feeling really inspired by all the healthcare professionals who are out there risking their lives every single day just to help out those most in need. So I figured if I can deliver some groceries to some people, that's what I'll be doing.
And you sure have inspired a lot of people. You're hearing from all over the world.
Yeah. Within 72 hours, we've created a community of over 3,000 volunteers who are eager to help throughout New York City. And ever since then, we've heard from people around the country too, from DC, Chicago, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Boston. And lately, we've been hearing outreach pour in from places like Canada, Mexico, the UK, Australia, Malaysia, Kenya. There's really just so much desire to do good in this world and such a hunger to help each other out. And it's been really exciting to see all of us coming together at this time when it feels like the world is pulling us apart.
And Liam, are you surprised by this enormous response?
Well, 3 days ago, I certainly never would have expected to be talking to all of you. The reaction has been incredible on all sides. There was an ER doctor just off a 19-hour shift who said, "Hey, can I help out in my free time?" And I said, "Please don't, please get some sleep." To one recipient who was having her birthday, and she was sad that she couldn't celebrate with her friends, so we brought her a birthday card along with her delivery. So everyone, it has been a really positive experience just all around.
Yeah, and speaking of those experiences, I understand you really connected with one of the first people you delivered groceries to, Carol. Tell us about her.
Yeah, so one of my first deliveries was to this woman named Carol. I just bought her some fresh fruits and vegetables so she didn't have to leave her home. And when I got there, she invited me in for some tea and cookies. And I said, "Carol, that's the exact opposite of the point here, which is to maintain physical distance." And she said, "Okay, fine. But when this thing is over, I expect you to come over for some cookies." So I'm really looking forward to that. And she's a puppeteer, so she made me a little sign that says, "Welcome, Liam, and Invisible Hands." So it's, I've been shocked by the number of friends that I've made and how, even though we're alone at home right now, we're not alone. We all have so many people out there who want to help us right now, and all we have to do is reach out.
Boy, so
awesome.
great to see you doing that. It's
Really.
you know what a story there as well. The natural, nice thing to do, invite them in, is the one thing you can't do.
Can't do. But later, cookies later. I
Yeah,
love
exactly.
that. Thank you so much. And it is inspiring to see everyone pitching in and helping and making everybody feel like they're a part of a community, even though many people feel isolated in these moments.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.